I'm going to show you a trick that any of you 3D printer geeks will like. It's a time saver, especially when trying to use SMD components in your breadboard. So here's the idea. You create a little socket with some very tiny holes in the side and use your handy resistor cutoffs and just press those into the side, and maybe even make one for the top, like a little locking lever. And now you can do stuff like using a MOSFET gate driver that only comes in a SOIC package on your breadboard. Pretty cool, huh? Hey, hope you found this video interesting. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.